Happy Sunday, team. I'm gonna try to keep this nice and short and sweet. As I promised, I'll give you guys some levels and scenarios for the week ahead. I know it's Sunday and it's late, so like I said, I'm gonna keep this nice and short. Right off the bat, seeing off the economic calendar, the high importance dates that we have to look for: Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Thursday's the bigger data day that I would say. So as far as Monday, oh yeah, we do have data on Monday. So 10 a.m. looks like. Okay, so if we take any trades prior to 10 a.m., we're gonna have size, especially if it's Monday. So with the data out the way, let's go ahead and look at the daily, guys. So right off the bat, from the daily, what I see is that we're peaking right above the BB, right? So let's go ahead and mark this level just because it's a high. Let's do 510. 5 10 10. That's what I like. That looks good to me. 5 10 10 is one level that I'm gonna mark off the back here. And then okay, so as far as data wise, when we come to the top of the BB, we usually come back down, test the 20, right? So there's a good chance we can come down and test the 20, right? Right here, same thing. Top of the BB, came back, tested the 20. Top of the BB, came back, tested 20. Top of the BB, 20. Then bottom of the BB. So before you take a longer short swing, I would wait for the 20 to break. But definitely, there could be some pullback because of the top of the BB. Let's go ahead and break down the 30-minute chart real quick to give us some trade outlooks that we have in store for us. Okay, let's go ahead and take off the BB. Don't use the BB. Only time I use the BB is on my daily charts. So let's take off the BB and let's see what we got. Let's go ahead and put in some regular trading hours. Right off the back, let's see this. Let's go ahead and mark this out. This powerful algo channel, continuous buying, big explosion that we had the past week. Another consideration is this nice little channel here. I like structure. I like to trade with structure. Structure kind of helps me, leads me. Here are some more levels that are looking good for me to keep in mind. I'll go over these levels, the exact price shortly. Just let me do a quick technical analysis. This is the first time I'm looking at the charts, guys, since Friday. So give me a quick second. This is as far as bearish scenario, what I see is that we could cut down here using this structure and this channel, right? So I'm gonna give you a couple scenarios. So as far as bearish scenario, we can finish the cup here, and if we want to continue down, probably a handle and continue down. The 5-day moving average is down here, so as this continues to move up, that would probably be the target. Here are some levels to look at. 500 is a nice level. Let's go ahead and take this straw now. This straw off. Okay. So that's the bearish scenario, right, guys? We can cut down here. And then I would watch the 503 level, the 502.80, 503 level. for a longer term short, because we could also very as well cut here, come back up, and like I said, come down to follow this 5-day moving average. Bearish scenario, that is the bearish scenario. Bullish scenario is man, me personally, I don't like to hit long positions off the top, man, and sometimes it's hard because when you think it's not going to go anymore, it keeps going, right? So this is an area where we like to minimize our risk and maximize our profits, right? As far as bullish scenario, just looking at price action and candle structure, all I could see is this completion of this cup here, maybe come back down, form some more liquidity, and then push up in this continuous buying algo that we have here, and you know, 514, 515, 520, so forth and so forth. That is bullish scenario from a 30-minute chart. Levels that I'll be watching for tomorrow. Some of the levels I'll be watching for tomorrow. 510. 510. I really don't like to do analysis until pre-market hours, especially over the weekend, but that's the line. So 510 is going to be one. 508.40 area zone is going to be another one. 507, 504. These are like all dollar zones, so this is going to be where we're going to have some good levels to trade tomorrow. Let's break it back down so I can kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like. So far, so this is what it's going to look like as far as anticipating tomorrow. Now we just have to wait on pre-market, see what happens. Lately, a lot has been happening in the pre-market hours. We've been gapping up, gapping down. We'll see what the momentum for the week is, but these are the levels. You know, this is a 5-minute chart. Like I said, there's a good possibility we can cut down, finish this cup here, come back up, and push down. All right, that's fine. Let's look at BTC because somebody requested BTC. Hey, BTC guys. So BTC, let's go ahead and look at it on the outbreak. Wow, that looks like a bull flag. If I haven't seen one. But let's look at the structure and let's see what they're actually doing here. What are some levels, some actual levels to actually trade. Again, this is BTC, guys. Not going to go into the controversy and all that good stuff into it. I'm just doing technical analysis here, purely chart, price action, and structure. I'll give you a couple scenarios here if you're gonna swing trade this. I'll give you the bearish scenario here. This is an hourly chart. You know, as anyone can see, you know, we can finish this cut here. We can use this this algo that is in to slowly finish that cut. For the short, I would wait for the 550, 560 level to break. Wait on that, and you know, these are areas where you'd like to take TPs at if you're short of this. And then for longer term short, you'd wait for the break of the 4680 zone. That is the bearish bearish scenario. Bullish scenario, man. Bullish scenario. Let's look at the structure and see what we can find here, guys. So bullish scenario is they can continue. You'd wait for the break of the high, which is 51,512. Me personally, I'd wait, let them break, grab some liquidity, and then build a base, and then you can continue to take it up. Bullish scenario. This is strictly for trading intraday, not looking at it long term. Again, and also this is all for educational purposes. This there's no financial advice here. Please do your own due diligence before you take any trades. With that out the way, I only got 2 requests. Was BTC and the S&P. So I hope everyone has a good weekend, or had a good weekend, I should say, since the weekend is over. I hope everyone was able to reset themselves, take the time to enjoy their family, and take that time away from the charts. It's very important. I know I talk about it all the time, but me personally, when the weekend comes, I step away from the charts. I try not to look at the charts because I know there's nothing I can do. Now, I do review and journal and stuff like that, but as far as the charts, I step away from the charts on the weekends, and I have found, as far as the long game, this is what keeps me going. I know when Monday comes, it's game time, and you know, everything's back in motion. So that's gonna be it for me today, guys. That's gonna be it for me tonight. For those of you in Team MDR, you guys already know the routine. You guys already know the program. The Zoom links will be sent out 30 minutes prior to the open, where we do our pre-market analysis and kind of just get ready for the market. For those of you that want to be part of our Zoom meets and Zoom rooms where we trade live and share our charts, please join the Discord or message me on Instagram. Again, I hope all of you guys had a good weekend, and I will catch you guys tomorrow.